Welcome back to cocinay.soy. I'm your host, Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making Matcha Melon Toast. Sift the flour and matcha. Then combine with sugar to create the dry ingredient mix. Melt the butter in the microwave. In a small bowl, whisk the egg. Then add the melted butter. Add this wet ingredients mix to the dry mix. Combine them until homogeneous. Take a slice of bread about 2 centimeters thick and create a plate using aluminum foil. Spread the paste on the bread evenly. Mark the paste with the back of a knife in a check pattern. Powder with confectionery sugar to taste and cosmetically. Cook in the oven toaster for 10 minutes. It's like a little cake in a bread. And here it is, our Matcha Melon Toast.